Welcome to the Microsoft 2022 project demo. My name is Malik Mohammad Rashid. I am a BTech student at Noida Institute of Engineering and Technology. For the Microsoft Engage program, I choose challenge 3, which is an algorithm based problem in which we must develop a recommendation engine. So while working on the same problem, I created a completely functional movie recommendation engine. Now let's move ahead to discuss the approach. I will be creating a content based recommender. Firstly, I have created a ML model from a dataset and integrated the model with Streamlit to make the interface easy to interact with the model to give the recommendation. So let's get started with the website demo. So there is a movie recommendation engine. So here in this screen you have given a optional menu from where you may choose any movie, or simply you can enter the movie name here. So here are the movie titles that is present here in the list. So if you, for example, if you choose the Spider-Man 3, then the movie is selected in the list, and after that you have to press the recommend button. Now the recommender engine will load and propose to you the default top 10 movies related to the Spider-Man 3. This is the whole list of 10 movies that is related with this title of the movie name. Let's move to the GitHub repo of the application, and now we can simply go through the readme and code, and therefore can build on their local computer, making there an immensely helpful feature. So I have concluded the demo. Now let's move ahead to the presentation where I have concluded the feature of the website. So the main feature of the website is first one, the content based filtering, and the second one is movie filtering that is based on the title and their attributes. So you have to select the multiple movies from the option menu that is given on the top of the screen. After that you have to press the recommend button. When you just press the recommend button, the recommender engine will load and propose you the default top 10 movies related to that particular title. Now let's move ahead to the next slide to discuss about the tech stack. So I have used the Streamlit at the front end to display the whole website structure, and at the back end I have used the Python as a backend language and NumPy and Pandas for model building, and the more I have used the dataset which is most famous, IMDb 5000 movie dataset, to get the information about movie. For further descriptive details about the project, you have given the GitHub link, so you can visit for the more information about the project. I hope this demonstration will help you to know about the my project, that is movie recommender engine works. I will end up by thanking you for your valuable time and consideration. Thank you.